In this video, you'll learn how to start a thread in Twist. When it's time to kick off a discussion, present a new idea, or share an update, start a thread and include the relevant people. Here's how. Give your thread a clear subject so people understand what's being discussed. Choose the people you want to include. You can pick anyone in the channel. Start writing. Threads can be as long as you need them to be and formatted to be easy to read. Add context by attaching files from Drive, Dropbox, or your computer. When you're ready, post your thread. Anyone on your team will be able to read it, but only the people you notified will see it as an unread in their inbox. Try to be selective about who gets notified. It means less noise for the rest of the team. Unlike group chat, there's no fear that the conversation will get buried before you have the chance to respond. People can write out a thoughtful response and post it on their own schedule. And don't worry about starting too many threads. The beauty of Twist is you can have a separate thread for each topic or idea. Twist naturally becomes a team knowledge base, where you can easily track down conversations, decisions, and files whenever you need them. So get started with threads to give your team a calmer, more organized way to work together.